Living in Covington offers the charm of a close-knit community, beautiful neighborhoods, and access to modern conveniences. But even in this peaceful city, homeowners can still face the challenge of unwanted noise, from nearby traffic, barking dogs, or neighbors mowing the lawn. If you've noticed that outdoor sounds are invading your living space, there's a highly effective solution you may not have considered: replacing your doors. Old, hollow, or poorly installed doors can allow significant noise into your home. Upgrading to high-quality, professionally installed replacement doors is a smart investment that not only boosts energy efficiency and security but also dramatically reduces noise pollution inside your home. Here's how door replacement can restore the quiet comfort you've been missing. The noise problem with older doors. Many older Covington homes still have original doors that were not built with noise control in mind. These doors are often hollow core, meaning they lack the density needed to block sound. Poorly sealed, with air gaps that allow noise to enter. Installed without proper insulation around the frame. Over time, weather and wear can also degrade the seals and structure of your doors, leading to more noise intrusion. If you find yourself hearing every car that passes or every conversation outside, your doors may be part of the problem. Solid core and insulated doors make a big difference. One of the most effective ways to reduce noise is by replacing your doors with solid core or insulated models. These doors are designed with dense materials that block sound waves much more effectively than hollow doors. Solid wood or composite doors absorb and reduce sound transfer. Insulated steel or fiberglass doors often include foam cores that dampen vibrations and block noise. Sound-rated doors, such as those with a high STC, sound transmission class, rating, are specifically engineered for soundproofing. These types of doors create a quieter indoor environment, especially when paired with proper sealing and insulation. Weather stripping and proper seals reduce sound leak. A key component of noise control is preventing sound from seeping in through gaps. Professional door installation includes tight-fitting weather stripping, thresholds, and door sweeps that close off those small cracks where noise enters. When you replace your doors in Covington, a skilled installer ensures that the door fits snugly in the frame. All edges are properly sealed. The bottom of the door includes a sweep or threshold to prevent sound infiltration. These small details add up to a big improvement in indoor quietness. Improve indoor comfort and privacy. Reducing noise from the outside isn't just about comfort, it's also about privacy. Whether you're on a work call, enjoying a movie, or just relaxing, excess noise can interrupt your day and create stress. A well-installed, noise-reducing door helps create a more peaceful environment where you can unwind without outside distractions. For interior spaces, such as home offices, bedrooms, or nurseries, upgrading to solid core doors can also help reduce sound between rooms, adding an extra layer of privacy. Professional installation ensures results. It's important to remember that even the best noise-reducing door won't perform well if it's installed poorly. That's why Covington homeowners rely on local, experienced professionals who understand how to ensure a proper, airtight fit. A reputable installer will evaluate your home's specific needs and recommend the right type of door and soundproofing measures. They'll make sure everything is correctly aligned, sealed, and insulated, maximizing your investment and ensuring lasting noise reduction. Final thought. If you're tired of outside noise disturbing your home in Covington, it might be time to look at your doors. A high-quality, properly installed replacement door can make a remarkable difference in how peaceful and quiet your home feels. Along with reducing noise, door replacement enhances energy efficiency, security, and curb appeal, making it one of the most practical and rewarding upgrades you can choose. To find out more, connect with a trusted Covington door replacement expert and discover how easy it is to bring quiet comfort back into your home.